Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, newcomers Limehall FC are still winless in the Red Nephew Jamaica Premier League after they suffered their fourth defeat in 6 games, going down 4-1 to Vere United at the Stadium East complex on Sunday. Vere Brown opened the scoring for Vere United from the penalty spot after just 17 minutes. However, Limehall were level 2 minutes later thanks to a strike from Darius Stewart. Now, Kemar Beckford would restore Vere United's lead just 4 minutes after the break. The team from Clarendon pulled further ahead thanks to substitute Alric Maitland's goal in the 63rd minute. And the win was completed in the 75th minute when Brown returned for his second of the day. With the win, Vere moved up to 8th on 8 points after 6 games, while Limehall remained second from bottom on 2 points. In the other game today, Dunbeholden were leading Malines United by 2-0 at sports time.